This is our weekly market update for the 25th of July 2012, and first up, our auction clearance rate fly around the states. We had Brisbane with 39% clearance rate, Sydney at 54, Canberra at 46, Tasmania didn't actually register an auction for the weekend, Melbourne at 56, and of course Adelaide 43%, which is starting to return to some better numbers than we have had over the last couple of weeks. Interestingly to note, consumer confidence is always on the top of people's minds when it comes to buying property and so forth. The Melbourne Institute and Westpac have just released a couple of reports in regard to consumer confidence, and interesting to note that as interest rates have declined in recent months, consumer confidence, as you would expect, has grown, and of course as sales numbers have dropped also, consumer confidence has started to grow again as well. So I'm sure that that's an acknowledgement of prices adjusting to the market at the moment. On the local front, 930 odd open inspections in the weekend paper, and that's certainly coming back to a more manageable level for winter. So I would suggest to you who are looking to sell over the next couple of weeks and month or two, there's a great window of opportunity to get your property sold before spring, and certainly take that opportunity while the stock levels are down a little bit. Anthony, any thoughts from your own point of view?
Tim, the only observation I've got is, as we mentioned earlier, there is the Olympics, and we've got the local footy team.
Yep.
Not Power, unfortunately, but the Crows winning. A certain amount of optimism will come out of that. Lack of stock, very affordable property, very affordable finance. It all adds up to me that we should see quite a good, solid period. Our sales have reflected that. And the only other thing that would be a word of warning or caution, if you are a buyer, I suggest you get on with it, because I think the next 6 months will be, a period that you'll look back on and say that was a good period. And as a seller, if you can sell while there's so few properties available, you're going to get your sale cleanly away and you'll get a reasonable price.
All right, well that ends our weekly market wrap-up.